everyone, welcome to Raja Techno. Today in our channel, we are gonna see what is Labor Day and why we are celebrating it. So let's get started with the origin of Labor Day. So, the story of Labor Day began with the rise in industrialization. The industrialists exploited the labor class those days. They took a lot of work from them but paid them a very less amount. Laborers were forced to work for 10 to 15 hours a day in a very tough conditions. Those who worked in chemical factories, mines and other similar places suffered a lot. At last, they took the bravery step to get united and raise their voice against this opposition. Nearly the time founding trade unions and going on strike. It was also considered illegal in several countries. So, they formed trade unions and laborers went on strike. They also held rallies and protests. At last, the government heard their request and reduced the working hours to 8 hours. Thus, the special day to celebrate the efforts of this class was also set. In India, Labor Day was started to celebrate it first in Chennai on 1st May 1923. The Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan initiated this. The leader of this party was Comrade Singaravelar. He organized 2 meetings to celebrate this event. One meeting held on the Triplicane beach and the other took place at the beach opposite to Madras High Court. In that meeting, Singaravelar approached a resolution which indicated that the government should announce a national holiday on the 1st May. This was the first time a red flag was hoisted in India. Labor Day is a very significant holiday in different countries because when Labor Day is a day that unites workers together and reminds them of their power when they act in unity. It is the day when workers can feel respected for the work that they have done all over the year. They learn about their rights and can make a better life for themselves and their families. This day is important as it enables workers to take some much needed rest from their work and to collect their thoughts, spend time with their loved ones just to recover their energies. This day motivates people to get into work and to work hard. This will help to retain the economy going. It will also encourage men and women to follow their chosen careers to do their best at them. In this way, they contribute to their society. So, this day is to promote and encourage international labor associations. Thus, it is a special day to appreciate and recognize their contributions to society as they are certainly well deserved. So, this is all about Labor's Day. If you like this video, hit likes, share this with all your friends and families, and do subscribe Raja Techno for more updates. Thank you.